Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to walk you guys through the past 7 to 10 days of my trading. We're going to call it a week of trading. I made over $16,000 in profit. Here's the P&L calendar. As you guys can see, plus 5K on the 25th, 10K on the 28th, 1K on the 29th. And just the past few days, I've been making roughly $500-600 profit. Barely trading this past few days, lost some money yesterday. But overall, we're up over 16K in the last 8 days. And in this video, I want to walk you guys through my trades. I have all my trades pulled up right here. We're going to scroll all the way down. I've taken a couple trades this week, meaningful trades. As you guys can see, this trade I made 200 SOL, 120 SOL here, 8 SOL here, just some smaller wins, bigger wins, all sorts of trades. I'll even walk you guys through one of my losses and a coin that I got pretty bullish on, but unfortunately still lost money. So yeah, stick around. Let me show you guys how I'm making these trades, how I'm taking these trades. Overall, I'm taking all of my trades on GMGN. If you're not already using GMGN, make sure to use the link down below. It's the fastest trading terminal. In this video, I'm only gonna walk you guys through my Solana trades, but if you've seen my last 2 videos on this channel, I had a really insane week trading Ethereum meme coins. The month before was base meme coins, and BNB and Tron coins are also heating up as we speak. But a lot of you trade Solana meme coins, so in this video, I want to walk you guys through these Sol coins and how you can exponentially up your portfolio, but also exponentially up your profits. So yeah, let's scroll back down. Let me show you guys some of my first trades this week. This Donald coin launched not too long ago. Pretty solid trade. Back when Bernie Sanders was taking off, this coin was kind of ripping as a derivative. I bought a bunch of size when it comes to this coin, roughly 200K market cap. So what's the narrative? Donald Trump, America's back. We were tired of winning. Pretty much this coin just kept ripping because of the Bernie Sanders coin. Let me guys show you actually here. I'll just type it in. Bernie Sanders. This coin went to 13 million. It was actually all the way up to 24 million market cap last week. So this was kind of a beta play for it. I bought a couple different buys here, 20 SOL buy, then a 10 SOL buy, then a 1 SOL buy. My average was 270K market cap entry. And this is pretty solid overall. Let me actually go to the GMGN settings display and show you guys my average sell price. So I pretty much average sold right around 500K here. And you can see by the timestamps, I bought roughly 11 o'clock local time. And then I started selling roughly 2 to 3 p.m. local time. So I've held this coin for around 2 to 3 hours. The narrative was a beta play. I was one of the top traders on this coin. I made 24 Solana. Pretty decent start to the week when it comes to this trade. 2K profit. Not bad at all. Quick, easy beta derivative play. Let's show you some more trade. The next decent trade was this Pup coin. Pup launched during this charity meta, and I was pretty late to find this coin. I'm not going to sit here and lie and say that I was early. I was very late to finding this coin. As you guys can see from my buys and sells, I bought right around here at 230K market cap. And my plan was to kind of scalp this for a pretty quick trade. So as you guys can see, I made roughly 35% with some small size. So I bought this low dip here. This coin ripped pretty high. And if you saw some of the other coins like Make-A-Wish or the GoFundMe coins on Pump Fund, you know that this meta popped off pretty hard. And this coin actually went all the way up to a mil market cap. But I scalped it, took one of these smaller sell candles and sold the wave on this higher high. Pretty much rode the lower low into the higher high. Sold it for a 40% scalp, made 8 SOL, roughly 1K profit. Not bad at all. Let me show you one of my actual bigger trades from this week, which was the scam coin. Now this is the highlight of the week by far. If you guys are not aware, this is when Elon Musk was going rampant on Twitter, pretty much calling Sam Altman scam Altman, and he was tweeting stuff non-stop. Pretty much it was getting all sorts of media coverage, and everyone was tweeting about it. Everyone was tweeting about the narrative. People are tweeting stuff out like it's literally the next Batman versus Superman when it comes to AI tech giants. And these guys were dueling back and forth, and Sam wasn't even responding. Like pretty much it was just Elon Musk throwing jabs. And when I turn on my main wallet, the one that I barely used to scalp, I pretty much bought roughly 200 SOL worth of size on this consolidation here. As you guys can see, consolidated for about 3 to 4 hours. Most people probably would have thrown this coin in the dust and thought it's over when it starts ranging, but I knew it was due for another leg up, especially with a lot of people offline. Sold some on this next leg, as you guys can see, roughly 5 hours later. Bought some more on the local dip, sold some on these local highs. As you guys can see, I had sells all the way up high as to 15.7 million market cap. Started buying some more here on this local dip, realized it probably wasn't going to come back. Sold the rest of my bag here, roughly 12 mil market cap. And when you filter out the main wallet, I started scalping it a couple times, but when you filter out my main, pretty much 60% move, 120 SOL profit on this buy, 123 SOL profit total, 10.5K off just this scam Altman coin. And this is one of my bigger trades this week, and it goes to show that even on coins that you are late to, like look at this, is the 15-minute time frame. That means that for the first literally 2 hours I missed this coin. It was up onlying for 2 hours. up until 7 mil market cap, and I still was able to size in at roughly 7 mil market cap. And from here, 6 hours later, I sold. 2 more hours of consolidation, 4 more hours later, I sold into the resistance. Like even coins like this and charts like this, as long as they're still slowly building and then ranging and then slowly building and then ranging, there's typically money to be made, opportunity everywhere. It's all about finding the narrative, finding the volume, and chasing after it and not giving up right away. 10K profit on this trade. Back to the portfolio tab. Let's show you a couple more really banging trades from this week. Let me actually switch up the vibes and show you guys one of my losses from this week. So this was a narrative that I thought was really hot, and it was the JP Morgan executive came out. Pretty much lots of scandals were coming out in terms of JP Morgan and pretty much everyone at this company. And I was very late to the narrative. I saw the chart at roughly 600K, missed it. It kept running up to 700K, and it pretty much formed a perfect Christmas tree pattern. This is the worst pattern in meme coin. Up, down, Burj Khalifa, straight up, and no coming back. All red candles nonstop. I thought I would be able to scalp it on this little dip buy here. I started buying it roughly 200K market cap, as you guys can see. And unfortunately, I still got smoked for 6 SOL. Tried buying some here locally, and it just wasn't giving me the exit. So I just sold for a little bit big break even, and I just sold the rest for a -6 SOL loss. Unfortunately, this one was a pretty bad trade, -5 SOL, roughly $500. And I thought the narrative was good. This trade goes to show that knife catching does not really work in this market. Like pretty much I should have played this by buying either this first run up or this second run up or this ultimate final third run up and selling these local tops. But I tried to play knife catching, which almost never works for me, but I still keep trying it. I tried buying this local dip, and it did give me an exit roughly 2 hours later, but volume was not there. Nobody was buying this coin. I just sold for a small loss instead. Goes to show, don't really try to knife catch in this market, because sometimes the knife will just keep falling and it's not worth your Solana, especially your precious time, Solana, and all of your funds and resources, when you could just be following newer coins with better narratives. Unfortunately, this narrative was just simply not good enough for the market to hold on to. Now, Cage was a quick tweet play, 5 SOL, and here was another pretty solid tweet play, Chadlon. I don't know if you guys saw, but Sam Altman pretty much changed his Twitter X username from Sam Altman to Sam Mogman, and that sparked a 2 mil runner, and I completely missed that runner. But what's the next best thing if the guy Elon is going against changes his name to Sam Mogman? Then obviously it's something to do with Elon, and the market chose this coin right here, which was Chadlon Musk. People were speculating he might change his X username to this or something along the lines. So what I did is I tried to find a pretty decent entry. You can't really tell on the graph because I'm on a 15-minute time frame and these things moved quick, but I bought some here. Roughly how much? I bought roughly 15 SOL at 170K market cap, rode it for a little bit, and then I pretty much sold like 20 minutes later at 200K, 250K, and it was a pretty easy scalp. Thankfully, 6 SOL, 15% buying and selling here and there. It also shows my recent buys from earlier, but yeah, this coin really popped off. 6 SOL on my second buy, roughly 560 profit. And when you add up all of those trades, the really common thing between them is that there's opportunity everywhere, and sometimes they're gonna have tweet plays that you hold for 15 minutes. In the case of Scam Altman, the other coin I made 120 SOL, you're gonna be able to buy coins at 5, 6, 7 mil market cap and sell them for a 2x 6 hours later. It just goes to show you just have to be ready at all times. As you guys can see, my filters are pretty dialed in to where I never really see garbage in new pairs that almost bonded, and I pretty much only want to see really good migrated coins. And from here, I'm able to do thesis and do research and figure out what coin I'm able to buy next and make some solid profit on. At the end of the day, it's all about systems, routines, and what works best for you. My trading style, I know, is higher market cap coins, at least 100, 200, 300K. If not higher, the better for me. I'm able to deploy size at coins 2, 3, 4 mil market cap, and as long as I can swing those for 2, 3, 4x, I'm happy all day long, because you only really need to catch 1 to 2 of those per month to make a substantial amount of profit. And as you guys can see, when you have days like April 27th for 10.1K profit, days like April 28th for 1.1K profit, and just this hot start to this month of May, when you consistently stack these wins and build them on top of each other, making money trading meme coins on the Solana meme coin, making money trading meme coins not only in Solana, but also EVM, Base, Ethereum, BNB, and now Tron, becomes so much easier when you have your own systems in place to make money trading meme. Those were some of the trades I took last week. I'm excited to take more trades this week on stream. If you're not already following my Twitch, make sure to hit the link down below. I try to stream a lot of my trading live on Twitch, so feel free to tune in and ask some questions. Additionally, if you're not already trading on GMGN, it's the fastest, best trading terminal when it comes to every single chain. No other trading terminal has all of the chains that GMGN offers at these speeds with these cashbacks. Use the link down below to get higher rewards when you sign up for GMGN. And if you need help setting up GMGN, or if you need help setting up your filters or anything in general, make sure to check out my last few videos. And I appreciate you all for tuning in. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. I go through all the comments on all my videos and answer all of them. If you guys found value in this video, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'm super excited to see you guys in the next video.